Hello everyone, how to make clean, last, long fire, no smoke, and it's very safe to use, especially if you go on camping, on wet surfaces, pretty much even works with water too. So this is the hand sanitizer, and it is 75%. You can use any hand sanitizer, it should work. And so I'm gonna add a little bit here and a little bit here and a little bit in this stone. Okay, so I'm gonna add, this is water, just drinkable water. Okay, see that? Water here. And see this one. I'll turn the lights off so you can see. We add the water here. Okay, and then here. Just add a little bit more. Okay, I'll turn the lights off so you can see. So we add the water here, and there is water here a little bit, but see, that's all water. Add a little bit more and then start it up. Okay. So it's very clean, very warm, and also no smoke at all. You can use it indoor, outdoor. Maybe if it's too much wind, it's not gonna work well, but for camping, or for any emergency, to warm up or something. See, there's a water here, and let's see. See the water. But it's still burning very good. Even this one too. See the water. And even though if I add more water, it's off now. Add a little bit here. Start it up. Okay. Pretty much works every time and lasts like few minutes. Maybe, if it depends, like one drop, it's gonna last about 5 minutes or so, just one drop of this. And this is very cheap. You can find now on store like for $1, about a liter. And it's good to carry with you for in case of an emergency, or even you can cook in this one. No wood, no fuel, nothing except this hand sanitizer for germs. So this is 75%. There is also 60%, 99%, Probably this works good. So see, it's off now, and you can turn it back on. Pretty cool.